Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on silver stacking mistakes. Now, I started buying precious metals back when I was about 9 or 10 years old. One of the first coins that I bought was a $5 gold eagle, or a gold liberty coin, and it was $200 at the shop, and it was in the case, and it was an MS-70 coin. So that was one of the first coins I remember buying, and then I remember watching infomercials and asking my dad if I could buy some of the coins and things like that. And then I actually ended up getting quite a few coins in silver over time as a kid. My dad would get me some coins as a gift or something like that. Sometimes he'd get me a gold coin. And then I also, funny thing, I used to sell weed, and the customer I would sell weed to would give me silver. So I would sell weed for silver. So, like, silver has always been in my life. Precious metals has always been in my life. And then I just recently started stacking more silver legally. So, yeah, I've always been into precious metals. So let's go over the silver stacking mistakes that people normally make. Now, the biggest mistake is really number one. Okay, so the biggest mistake is people will think about buying collector coins or premium coins or rounds. And what people will normally do is go with collector coins because they're worth more and you can sell them for more or buy them for more, right? So a lot of people tend to be in the collector market, and that's what a lot of MLM, network marketing programs are in, is the collector market. I do not like the collector market. I prefer the actual round and bullion market. Let me do round bullion. And then premium is going to be coins from a company or a mint or a government, that, like the Liberty coin, okay? And then it would be outside of the case. So like, this is raw silver. This is rounds, 90% silver coins, like quarters, raw buffalo coins. This would be like a Lady Liberty from the government, right? So like government backed. And then this would be like a Lady Liberty MS-70 in a case, right? So at the end of the day, it all melts down to spot price, right? So this is the only thing that's actually valuable. Okay, so what you want when you start buying silver and stacking silver is you want 100% of your money to go into rounds and bullion. Just like when you start buying Bitcoin, you want 100% of your money to go into Bitcoin, not the other ones. Okay, so once you have, $5,000, $10,000 worth of silver, then maybe you can start to buy a few more of these. If you start to find that maybe you had a few fake rounds or a few fake bullions, maybe you would want to grab a few premiums, stack a few premiums, but you would never want to really buy collector. Never buy MS-70, MS-69 coins. Those are totally worthless. Okay? Yeah, you can sell them for $80 a coin, but the value of it really comes back down to spot price. And then also with the premiums on the Liberty coins and the Buffalo Eagle, the Buffaloes, the Eagles, things like that. No matter what, when you start to sell off your premiums, your collectors, the most money is always in the rounds and bullion because you have more actual silver. Okay, the premiums and the special value above spot price is never going to amount to more money being made or generated through revenue versus more silver ounces that are being sold, right? So it's better to have more weight than it is anything else. Literally more weight, right? More weight, okay? This is just about pounds, okay? It's not about quality. It's not about collector value. It's not about what someone thinks. It's about raw value. Is it real silver? Okay, cool. That's all that matters. So you want to collect rounds and bullion, okay? Not premium coins or collector coins. I paid $200 for a collector coin that was a silver ounce coin that was sunk at the bottom of the ocean with a ship, and the ship had like literally gargantuan amounts of gold and silver on it, and it sunk into the Bermuda Triangle or something. And they went and collected a bunch of silver bars, a bunch of silver coins, a bunch of gold bars, and they were sending out a brochure, not a brochure, but like a book about it in the mail. And it was like a catalog, right? So you could, shop the gold bars and stuff. And so I ended up getting a $200 sunken ship treasure coin from that ship that cost me $200. But really, I would rather have bought 6, 7, 8 bullion rounds because it would be worth more. Okay, I could have gotten more silver for the price of the sunken ship coin, which would be worth more, right? So that's the base. That's really number one. You want to focus on rounds and bullion. Number two is FOMO. So silver stacking mistakes is FOMO. Like, basically, you don't want to just buy all of your savings in silver. It's not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin takes about 3 years, no matter what. If you can buy Bitcoin no matter what time you buy it at, and 3 years later it's going to be profitable. With silver, that's probably not going to be the case. Silver is a very long-term value, and we're going to hope that it goes up. Gold has spiked up a lot during the last year, or really last 6 months. So silver should be adjusting for it. So silver might go up to like $35, $40, $50 an ounce because gold has just been going up so exponentially. But even still, you can slowly buy silver rounds and then trade them for gold rounds later on, right? But FOMO is basically silver does not go up or down exponentially crazy in a few months or whatever. So take your time with silver and stack it more over time, okay? With like Bitcoin, you would definitely want to buy more and more and more, faster, because as time goes on, that price just fucking goes up, okay? But with silver, you don't want to FOMO, okay? Number three is paying too much. So basically, you want more silver for your dollar. Don't overpay for silver. Very basic concept you already understand. Make sure you shop around for silver. Make sure you try to get the best silver prices. Make sure you are trying to get silver rounds. And if a place is only selling premium and collector, go somewhere else to find bullion and rounds. Number four is making the mistake of getting fake silver. So make sure you buy from reputable places that are not going to screw you over. Make sure you're buying from places that have a lot of customers, a lot of reputation, and have been around for a long time so that you're not buying fake silver. It is a great idea to actually invest in a silver tester. Okay. So that would be a great idea as you're stacking silver to invest in a silver tester so that you can just guarantee that all your rounds are real. Or just test, every 10th round that you get from your dealer, and you should be pretty good from there. Or like test the first 50 that you get, and then from there test every 10 or whatever. So, you can do whatever you want. But 5, the fifth mistake is not selling silver and getting free silver. So, because silver does not go up exponentially in price, because it does not go down exponentially in price, maybe it'll go down $10 or whatever, but it's not going to $2 an ounce, so hopefully. But like because the moving of the market is so low and so slow, a lot of people will buy a shitload of silver and then they won't sell it. And then they'll be sitting on it. And in my opinion, if you have a cash flow business, which I'm going to share with you in a second, I have a cash flow business and I get silver from that business. So if I sell my silver, I'm able to buy more advertising to build the business and get more free silver and have a perpetual silver stacking business. So it is in my best interest to actually sell some of the silver that I'm stacking to purchase advertising to build a bigger team and then get more free silver. Okay, so I recommend that you figure out a way to have a silver business to where selling silver will allow you to build a capital for your cash flow business where you're going to get free silver. Does that make sense? So, because you don't just want to buy silver and then buy silver and then buy silver, because the market doesn't take that. It takes forever to move. So you want to be cash flowing silver and money and cycling it and then building it up and building it up. So let me share with you the best way to stack silver rounds and not have to worry about FOMO, without having to worry about paying too much, without having to buy fake silver and make sure it's real. And then also let me show you how to get free silver so that you can start selling some of that silver for some profit, right? We don't want to just stack silver. Maybe we want to actually cash some out, buy some advertising. So let me share with you, I actually have a funnel built for my team and myself. I'll build this funnel for you on your own domain, and you'll have yourname.com, and you'll have this funnel. When you click the button right here, you'll enter your name, your email, and then it goes to this page right here where I actually unbox the silver and I show you everything. I actually walk you through the sign up page and show you the best prices to get started at and why to get started at those prices and how to save money on getting started as well. I also got all my team bonuses here. One of them is my funnel that I build for you. You can actually give away all these bonuses as well. I got my personal coaching and access, my traffic resources I give to you for free, email marketing deliverability training, my personal email autoresponder, how to make high converting capture pages for any business, my recruiting on demand script, done for you bridge page template. We're going to do an unboxing video for this and I'll coach you on how to do this and everything. And then we'll splice in an ending, like some down arrows and some music to your button. And then bonus number 9 is 11 video ideas to generate more autopilot leads online, like this video right here. And then 10 is the proven 6-figure daily marketing checklist. When you click on this, you'll go to the company, your company link with your affiliate ID, and then people will click get started and then click on Wealth Ambassador, and they will sign up on your team rather than my team, okay? So the best way to get started in Quicksilver is click right here for $9.97, scroll down and click right here for the challenge package, 1 silver coin. If you are on a saver budget and you can't really afford that, you can start for literally $17 per month in Quicksilver and start stacking silver and building a team with me and getting people to your actual silver business, right? So that's why I like this Quicksilver program, and I have actually built out a funnel for it so that you can actually build a business and get free silver. So if you build a big enough team inside of Quicksilver, which is about 10 people, you're going to be making more money than you're paying for your silver, and you're going to be getting free silver. And then when you're getting free silver, you may as well sell it for some advertising to get more people to your website, right? How fucking awesome is that? I figured out a perpetual wealth system, and you can fucking do it, and I'll teach you how to do it, all right? So it's really, really cool. Go ahead and click the link down below and visit my website right here, and then click Yes, Show Me, okay? And I'll show you how to start stacking silver, how to start getting free silver, how to avoid fake silver, and everything like that. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video about silver stacking mistakes. Click the link down below, and I'll see you on the next page. Thank you so much.